Riding my car, ain't stunting. Window down and I'm sliding. I got a pocket full of money, but niggas be thinking I'm childish. I been doing this on my own. What make you think that you can stop me? Nope. I just been getting that bad. That bad been coming too empty. Nigga, it done got heavy. Thought I had me a Simmons. Nigga making all they moves. Might as well be the Senate. Nigga, I'm like a major because I got all the trumpets.
Slight little burnout. It's cold outside. It's like 43 degrees. I ain't really mean to go that long, but we'll take it. I don't want to get the tires a little sticky. I'm driving with my left foot on the brake, so we're gonna try. Oh, I'm tripping. I made this thing, put it in manual, so that's why I was just holding at 60 like that instead of climbing and going. And I wasn't even flooring it. I was trying to just keep it in the road. So my transmission be sounding like it hitting something when I do that. Like at a certain time. I don't know. I don't like that though. I don't be liking that. I really be want to go sliding, man. I ain't gonna lie. Sliding POV like this, it's fire. Show y'all boys how I really be whipping. For real. I just do one coming back. I'm gonna try one with it in manual. Like I'm gonna let it red line the shift itself, but it launches a little different. Me get a little burnout in. Now see how I hold it? It's a lot better. Dang, my bad. I hope y'all can see. It's a lot better in manual. Even with a burnout, bro, it don't still spin. I'm not even flooring the car. I'm gonna show y'all what flooring the car look like. I'm not even flooring it, nowhere near flooring it, bro. I'm gonna show y'all what flooring it is from a dead stop. I might not even launch it. I'm just going, well, I'll launch it a little bit, like 1500. That's me flooring it, and look how long it spun. It spun through damn near 4 gears, bro. With 2 burnouts on 285. On 285, bro. But the car do run stronger when it's cold. You know what I'm saying? The intake temperature is on 50 when we started. It's on 57 now. That's just coming from the radiator, producing and them headers, producing all that heat. That's crazy, man. I was say deer race is fun, bro, but it's like, it's too much. It ain't too much, it's just like a lot of technicalities. Like, that's why I be hating, you know what I'm saying? I know Mustang people watching, but I gotta talk about y'all. Y'all the only ones that do this. But it always be the Mustang boy that be like, with 5.0, be like, yeah, man, I'm faster than the cat. I'm faster than, you know, I can beat a cat with a 10-speed. You know what I'm saying? From a dead. Duh. Unless the cat on a tire, but the cat on a street tire, 275. Of course you're gonna win unless he just got some sticky 275. People with Mustang, bro, not even knocking Mustang, you know what I'm saying? I got homeboys that got Mustang, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? When you mod them, they do their thing, but bro, like, the stock one, bro, even ones that do be modded still be talking about beating the cab, like, bro, if he ain't got no tire, of course you're gonna beat them. They gonna spin. Everybody know Mopar spin, bro. And everybody know we still got the highest power, bro. We got the most dominant powertrain, bro, there is. Like, I don't know why folks keep forgetting that. And just imagine, and everybody know a Dodge hook, bro, or when you get a Dodge like a hook that making power, bro, you're not touching it. I don't care how heavy it is. You're not touching it, bro. Look at the track house in Durango, for example. Ain't nobody touching them. Put a Mustang next to a Durango. Let me see something. Cause Durango, 60 foot better than the track house, and the track house lighter. So I love to see that. Track house on the stain, 10 speed, from a dead. Stock tires. That's who whenever. But then folks be like, oh, it's all-wheel drive or whatever like that. It don't matter. Y'all don't say that, you know what I'm saying? If you be the cat and we won't be coming at y'all like, oh, you spinning, I'm not. Well, we knew we was gonna spin. We still gonna try you. But on the road, y'all ain't seeing it, you know what I'm saying? Even most scats on the in the 10 speed on the road, bro, is debatable. Depending on the driver and the condition of the weather. I'm telling you, like, man, 40 roll in the SCAT, bro, is one of the best, strongest rolls. And I'm in custom. Listen to Olivia Pop. First time really just stabbing it. I don't really stab my car. But bro, that was a strong pull. Like, you can't see in the camera, but bro, like the front end, like if I could put a camera like on that truck and watch how I did that, bro, the front end just lifts straight up, like straight up. Man, if I get some suspension, it's over with on rolls and dips. I just need some suspension, bro. That's it. Some suspension, a little bit bigger tires. I got 285s now. 285 just alright. They look good though. Like you look at it, you can tell the difference from the front and the back. But maybe if I get 295, a good tread 295, or a street radio 295, I'll be in there. But 305 probably gonna be my next thing. I might do that when I get the chance. Go to the top shop and see they got some 305, man. Put some 305s on here. And keep those tires I got now and just use those as sliding tires. I got some sliding tires, but these are matching, so I had to use these. I didn't even mean this video to be that long. I was just record that what I was doing. But yeah, man, so I guess it turned into a video now. Probably just a quick one, but thank y'all for watching. If I ever posted a video, you know what I'm saying, probably not, but appreciate y'all for watching, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, man. Going up all 2021. Stay on the mission, stay on the grind, stay humble, and stay passionate.